Tell them in about anything I fall back off. Yeah, I get to Yamara.
Yeah, man, one more dollar.
To everybody in the world. One more father. I appreciate for welcome to Balaclava. So when I say Black River, big up to my MPHS. The whole world, unity and strength. Matter love.
Matter love.
Take it off.
Melissa come. Melissa come.
Melissa
come. Melissa come. Run. Fuck up the things called Melissa come.
Bumbo clock this. Gaygas.
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Puzzle up the card and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Platinum TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
The boy Gaygas, so then music from Shibada was a rascal boy. Come out after the people them attack and I lick out for them rights. I said them not see the Prime Minister from the storm pass through. This man come out and defend. My youth, yeah what? I watch Andrew Holness brief them, my youth. Yeah what? Yeah, this big black ugly one that talk like Andrew Holness semen stuck in him throat. He made ball and ugly like no blood clot. If they don't come out, but low Andrew, my youth, the people need the help. You don't know the situation the people talk, my youth. You hear that? Lord, the people with them vindicate for them help, my youth. You come out. Make Andrew give you and this big black ugly woman let me see, and the big ugly bald one. Make Andrew go no 3 truckload of goods on and the Batman on the name Destiny too. All him used to defend Andrew too. Make Andrew Holness go no truckload of goods on the blood clot Westmoreland and Chilania and them places and give away the goods them. Instead they come out and attack the people them when them attack for what them want and them rights, brother. People them vote him in, brother. We know say him now got definitely dip on the ground and give out things, brother. But him have uno. We are defend him. We can say, yo, take that go there so and line up a chocolate of this and line up and go down there and do all of it. No, you're there attack the people them. I watch Andrew Reef, party boy. You and that big ugly black ballad one they will talk like Andrew Seaman stuck in him throat. Vegas, look there, cartel just come out of prison, the man can donate rascal how much million to the thing, my youth. Brother, Andrew, one thing more you do for me. Put rascal Vegas in a jail and take out Ninja Man. Because Ninja Man done all and donate to brother. Them waste man there for they in a jail. A batty boy them there. Vegas them a batty boy them.
You all know I kill up on yourself and a chat about industrial generator. First of all, no country ain't go send no industrial generator. 400 industrial generator come a generator. Industrial generator is almost the side of a container, especially to you, Antidana. Antidana need to come off a bomb buckler internet. Nobody at Jamaica now go take it serious. From the moment you keep a best dress party for a female and give a meal, they really expect that nobody at Jamaica go take it serious. You need to come off a internet. You and Mr. Vegas has said the same thing. For sure say 200 shallow minded. The man say I'm going to give the generator to blood clot business people. Business people, why not worry about business people? When you say business people or rich people come to my mind, yo, we don't see no blood clot business people that run back a helicopter and run back a truck and a ball so they hungry. The poor people them, at them a touch the people them heart. If it wasn't for the poor people, no other country wouldn't send nothing come to Jamaica. At them people them a watch pan news and a touch the heart, and that's why things are come a yard. Poor people, and poor people make this all happen. So yo, poor people must get the blood clot generator them. I don't need to stop company internet come talk about how generator if you go to business people. Nobody know about business people. Business people them business done insure already. And I talk about generator if you go to police station. The government should have been provide blood clot generator for police station already. And hospital, no hospital can run out a generator. So every hospital don't have a generator. So nothing on that. We don't come and talk about school. If them not know where to live. Or then go to school. If them then have no roof over their head. Left school out type program. 400 a generator if you even send to the only government that don't provide generator for school. School, hospital, police, government response for blood clot them. So when you start making excuse. The reason why generator come a yard are the people them where they run down helicopter and run down truck and a ball so they're hungry. You don't see how Jamaica look like a Somali bomb clot land like with a bag of refugees. I poor people them enough to help country one now go get back. One hour about business people. Business people are first people go get back light in a Jamaica. Them are business people. JPS I make money, whole heap of money off of them. JPS also they get back light. And the poor people them in a look nooks and corner and cranny bro. Them the people that last people to get back light. So at them the people that don't worry about. Business people like first people who get light. 1 2 people that some blood clot bush or St. Elizabeth when I get back no light for months and this. Worry about those people until they come off a bomb buckler internet.
People of Jamaica walk on blessed love. You boy your child again. When I said it, me come out and tell you that Andrew Holness
It will come with some form of vulture, some form of signing up and IDs and all these things. You see me, them gonna come with a program. See what I say? Said, well said and know it done. Come on, we are not idiot to this, you know. See, we're not stupid. You see me, I say, we know how the government operates in this country named Jamaica. You see me? They are criminal. They're worse than the criminal them. Believe me, they are the one that invents scamming. You see me, I say, and selfishness in the Jamaican country. Believe me, so me they tell you no say the Prime Minister wanna have a Jamaica is not a Prime Minister who only can depend on, you understand me, and live in the hands of Jamaica. You understand me? Yeah, only can't do that. But oh be damn. Every time Chacha come and talk, and always cuss and this and bring in politics and politics this. You know, me show you say everything what I said is coming to pass. Reality. More blessings.
Well, I'm not in a line up. So my next phone I start chat to my brother from here. Them say, Lucky, you know say from I fly back to Jamaica, I'm moving to my house. I have a foot problem, brother. I say, what you talk about foot problem? He says, my foot just a swell so. It's every time I go to Jamaica, my foot swell. As I go to my yard. And him say that hurricane, he mash up Jamaica one way. But he free enough people. I say, what you mean? Man, go show me a buckle, brother. When Melissa pull up from what I gate. And the man said, when you look on the net, on the white paper, his name is right on it. So you are going now. Sometimes, some things happen, and you say bad. But it happen for good for release someone in their life. Remember me tell you, sometimes you deal with some people, you there some place, something have happen, forget to release. Remember me tell you, you see Melissa here? A lot of people at Jamaica get free. A lot of school pitting in a school. I go pass them subject now. A lot of house and finish at Jamaica. I go finish. A lot of Bigfoot. I go draw down. A lot of people so can get them visa for go foreign. Remember me tell you. A lot of hold down. Pull up. A lot of woman with tie man I go get released. A lot of man with tie woman I go get released. Remember me tell you, no matter where you're in the world, and you're there foreign in a struggle, and some people and some family have you done at Jamaica, and enough people are released. When are you going again? You don't think God done with Jamaica yet? God not done with Jamaica yet, you know. And who not suffer in that time and now go suffer. And who need to draw close to God, better draw close to God at Jamaica. You hear me? Earthquake I go come next. Them say the earthquake I go touch Jamaica next. So you are going now. It's like the age of them out there. Where I make sacrifice the man them get rich. It's like the gunman them with their Jamaica. Where I get rich. For them to take with the little pit and them kill them a bush. God I come for now. My Jamaica country. Remember my little church used to nice. Revival church, Pentecost church used to nice. People are got church. No got church. I be things you not going with. I be things you not going with. I gotta deal with them, you know. But I cry for the people, them innocent one, them I feel it, you know. But big, you might tell you something. Enough Bigfoot I go draw down. Enough people I go get them visa. Enough church and enough house I go finish bill. You hear me? Watch when time Jamaica go rebuild. And enough half done house I go finish. He buckle then wash up. Oh.
Boss Big Nose. A people academy who want to run for Prime Minister.
People will come out in the community, come check out for people in it. Mass Big Nose, you never see you know. Mass Big Nose, you tell you this today. You know, you can't run the country. You know why you're in the country. Let's go lick out your wife. A good people like them want out here for them mix and mingle with the people. Me understand, Mass Big Nose, get down here, Jankro. Thank you.
Hello. Andrew Holness, you need to make the toll open up some more. Because the people can't spend the money buy food. So you can't go give people and still have to pay a toll. The toll need to extend till the whole of this month to next month to January. 3 months at a free toll for the people them go in. Go get the people them because you not do nothing for the people them. The millions of dollars where you have, the toll need to open up. All the people them need for do what them have to do for go through the toll. If I even drive through it,
300% raise salary.
if I even lick down the barrier, them will not go through the toll and not pay no toll. The toll need for open up for the people them go through. Oh, me gonna spend my money go, I can't go to the toll free. What you do? What you contribute? Me see a Bigfoot wife, she a walking on this blood clot long dress. With 2 bag of load in the bus, she go look for people on the body want blood clot soon. Una demons on the pit of blood clot.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I make an appeal to Elon Musk. Elon, yeah, rich people talk to rich people. I'm not rich like you, but yeah, me think I'm rich. I don't know if I'm rich, but yeah, I mean in Bushamark. Can I ask you for 5,000 homes, please, for Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth in Jamaica? Please. Now ask you 5,000 homes, and me need them by next week Wednesday. You know? So if you ever give me them, send a message. If you not give me them, let me know. But me just need 5,000 homes from you, and thank you in advance, please and thanks, sir.
Me know everybody. Me don't know you. I me tell you that already. Stop run up and tell lie. Cause you tell everybody about you not Gaza. Brother, you're not no Gaza member. Stop that. You have to tell the people them say when you go to New York. When you go to New York, a cartel show out a door you stay. And now you're not going to the venue. You're too blood clot lie. Nobody ramp with me, no boy.
You alone can answer that, boy.
Hey boy, don't ramp with me. Don't tell me lie for me on the internet, pussy. I want to you, boy.
Oh, you never did it. You tell me out of
yo, stop chat off your mouth and stop walk and chat off your suck pussy. Because that's all you do. You just a walk and dirty up the internet with BLI. And I tell BLI for my batty face, boy. Go find lyrics and find song. Remember, me don't know nothing, boy, you know. Are you a call up me name in a pussy?
You so know.
Are you a call up me name in a youth? Where you come tell lie for me about me stop food for you? What kind of food?
Here you round outside ground and shut off your mouth.
Pussy, don't tell a lie for me. Cause I don't know nothing about what you talk about.
Me know you don't know, but me hear you.
Bro, listen to me now. Hear what I say to you. Hear what I say to you.
Wow.
Those are poison. Hear what I say to you. Listen to me. Listen to me, little you. You see this thing I want happen? A Shandelax. I tell us if you do it. Zane, you don't know nothing about me. Zane, don't come fabricate nothing on the internet about me and stop your food, you. Don't tell no lie on me. Cause me, no promoter never book me and never brought yet.
No promoter never book me.
No promoter never book me and never brought yet. Pussy.
You don't know nothing about me.
Carl never ask me if which promoter, the lie where you tell me I try to stop your
book you and never.
You ever make no food out of music yet for me try to stop it? Which food ever make out of music yet for me try to stop it?
Promoter say book me and never brought you.
Boy, don't tell a lie for me and go suck your mama. Hey boy, go suck out your big sour thing for your woman. Don't tell a lie for me, pussy. You think me come on internet for laugh with batty boy? Eh? Don't come on the internet, come tell a lie for me, boy. Fool, boy. I use my name to try get clout. Alright, this boy I use my name to try get clout, but yet still I tell lie for me. Brother, you're from Anna, I remember say nobody not know you, nobody not remember you.
You don't know me.
I'm a name I try use to make a cloud. Why you never
yo, so what mean at the club when
over Baltimore? When you step in your face over Baltimore with you, what make you never that chat so pussy? Eh?
Stepping over face.
Oh, you mean when me step in your face over Baltimore with your batty boy and everybody a laugh off you, they tell everybody, who don't play him song for? Who don't play him song for? You think you hear nothing yet, pussy? You think you hear nothing yet, you little idiot? Hey, you not no sense in a youth. You not no sense, man.
When we hear your song, then you're not no bars. Your song weak. You sound good on the device, good, but your song weak.
It'll kill you.
basement and sleep on him floor. Wait till me come over, they come kick off the door and I come right in your face.
The man I use all my own slang.
I up in the sky.
Man, I say my forward for you, dog. Where am I going?
Yeah, man, father, I never did that. That's my one slang in my use.
I know, I could finish the song though, but I know more I hear for your song, you know, dog. I was
Pull up after you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket.
Buju Banton, me say you not worry about them a blood clot. A Jim, you blood clot there. I lift blood clot weights and a workout. Huh? Why me not even hear them call for your name and say you go down there to blood clot? But me hear them a call lady saw name all them look a fucker there. You get me? Me other people a call out for other people for blood clot go and now to blood clot. Me no hear them say Buju Banton go down them. Buju Banton say fuck them blood clot. Me no blame me a pussy clot cause them say one Senegal blood clot prison set up a pussy clot. Eh? And when you come out of prison, you still feed them blood clot. And even though you feed the pussy them when you come out of blood clot prison, them still turn them back on your blood clot. And have cartel in them back of them blood clot heart. You get me I say? Them still stabbing in your blood clot back. Me no blood clot blame you. Do some workout and enjoy your blood clot life. Even if you did good on they go blood clot help you pussy hold them. Make it pussy hold them know say you not go get up and have them and a cry palm your blood clot man. You enjoy your blood clot life. Eh? Cause when you did in a blood clot prison pussy hold them go on with them blood clot life. Fuck them for suffer down there. Not for them. You get me? You see it? So, me no blame your bumbo clot. You see, me no blame your pussy clot. You get me? Not at all a blood clot, cause some of them down there won't listen to bumbo hole. You see, if you even go down there go help them blood clot, you make them say you not have them on your blood clot mind. You get me?
Pull up. I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a tamot.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dust. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and ground. The war start and I start done. Them a try to repeat me. The pussy them a try